Hello friends, welcome back to my channel GD Jolly. Today we are going to unboxing iPhone 12. I just purchased this one at SM Baguio City, 53,990 pesos. This is 128 GB and the color is blue, as you can see. This blue color is new in iPhone series and this look very amazing. The body frame of this iPhone is made with aluminium and the back is glass. Let's check what is in the box. There is a lightning cable and USB type C. There is one user manual and there is one sticker, Apple sticker. They are now giving only one Apple sticker. Before they are giving two. No charging brick and no headphones included. Let's on it first. First boot. Yeah, the Apple logo you can see. I will do some setup. Okay, region, select your country, quick start. Okay, language, face ID later on. Okay. So this is iPhone 12 blue color, 128 GB. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much.